Yes. Oye, te voy a pasar tiempo que tengo que ir. Buenos días y muchas gracias por estar aquí.
Good morning, and thank
Y
you
me
for
encanta
having me.
que les apetezca conocer nuestra casa. Es un edificio que consta de dos partes,
It's a building that has two parts.
un palacio primitivo, que es este frontal,
A primitive palace, that is this one,
siglo XV,
From the 15th century.
y después se le añade otro ala a esta casa, que es en el siglo XVI.
and then they add another part of the palace.
In the 16th century.
En principio, esto era solamente un pabellón de caza.
At the beginning, it was just a hunting place, a hunting building, like for people coming to hunt because they have a lot of land behind, so people came to hunt.
Cuando ya Carlos V, todos le conocen, ¿no? Al
Ahora ya
emperador.
sí.
Ahora ya sí. El señor de esta casa es consejero de Carlos V, el tercer conde de Osorno.
The owner of the house was a counselor of Charles V, and they were really good friends.
Y su mujer, María de Luna, duquesa de Coria, era camarera de la emperatriz Isabel.
And his wife also worked for the queen at the moment. So they were like really close friends. Both matrimonios. Both couples were always together, and they had a good relationship. More than like like working for them, they were friends.
Cuando al emperador se le corona como emperador del Sacro Imperio, este señor le acompaña a Bolonia.
1520. In 1520, when Charles V is coronated, he goes with him to accompany him for the coronation, which was a really important event in his life.
El señor, cuando acompaña al emperador, descubre el Renacimiento. En España no existía como tal, en España eran edificios de transición románico-gótico.
When he travels to Italy, he discovers Renaissance. Here we always go like behind everybody else in the world. Like every movement arrives later, but here we were still building things in a Romanic style, and he went there and discovered Renaissance, and he was really surprised. Like, oh, this is much beautiful, right?
Si nos acercamos, como veis, esta parte es como decimos los dujas,
más simple, más sobria.
Sobria.
Esta parte es muy sobria, que es la primitiva.
This facade is much more sober than the other one.
Pasamos a la calle.
Yes, we are going that way. This was the old one, from here to there, and here it begins the construction of the new part. And the roof was lower, but they also built a little bit more to the top of the building. You can see a lot of windows, vanes, and the most important element, and the one that will call your attention, is the loggia. It's like a balcony, right? But in a very beautiful Renaissance style.
Las esquinas, los cuadrantes estos y estos de siempre. Las lunas de María de Luna, duquesa de Coria. Y el escudo significa, bueno, Castilla por el águila y el león rampante. Y el caldero, esto es un caldero, esto de aquí abajo es un caldero, y de arriba caldero con serpientes, son campañas en América, descubrimiento de América, ¿vale? Campañas en América.
This is the coat of arms of the noble family building the palace, right? And the moons are for, do you know how it works, like how a coat of arms or a shelter is divided? Like if I have a last name and my husband has another last name, we divide the shelter into two, and we place the symbols of our last names on it, right? Then if my daughter marries another person, maybe a man at that time, they could also want to have all these symbols on their coat of arms, right? So they divide it again. And then if you marry got married to other noble family and other your daughter too and your daughter too, it became like this. So all the pigeons and birds, they get here and they say, what? Snake? No, it's snake.
Esto es de las palmeras. A ver, aquí había dos palmeras. Claro, aquí había dos palmeras. Aquí había dos palmeras que hemos cortado.
There were 2 palm trees here and they just had one.
Yo también estaba.
¿Hace algún ruido o algo? ¿Es un vídeo? ¡Ah, es un vídeo!